So guys, I'm going to show you how to Steam for your Windows computer. So for many apps you get them from the Microsoft Store, but not for Steam. So for Steam, open up a web browser, such as Chrome. Go to Google. Search for Steam Windows. Select the first result here, store.steampower.com. Select Install Steam. So you should see in the top corner. Select the download icon. Double press. Select Yes. Select Next. Select Next. Select Install. Select Finish. So once it's done, you should see it on your desktop. Go and sign in. Yep, there you have it. Alright guys, thanks for watching.